Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. It is 9 in the eve. We are looking at the Nifty chart. Yeah. So Nifty got closed at 17,388.15 and Bank Nifty has closed at 37,989.25. Bank Nifty has not performed really well when compared to Nifty, but Nifty has taken the important levels and it is staying at the resistance currently. We'll have a deep discussion and a deep analysis on Nifty today. So what is the price action for today? Is the price action is in the resistance. Nifty has formed. Yesterday it was a spinning top and right now it is a hammer in the top can continue the trend, but it is in the resistance. We need to wait until the resistance are taken out. So we'll go to the levels which has been marked in the previous days and see what has happened. So these were the levels has been marked in the previous days, maybe like yesterday, day before yesterday, and on Fridays. So since last week this level has been intact, and if you look at today's chart as well, I'm going to 1 hour chart. So yesterday what we discussed is market will definitely react to the resistance and it can fall towards 17,225 and today's low is 17,225 exactly. Our target has been, the first target has been hit comfortably and Nifty has started moving up. And why the Nifty has made it bottom and it has moved up is definitely we have to look at the price action. If you look at the price action in 1 hour chart, also it is in a bullish morning star, and if you go to, we'll see in the lower time frame as well. Yeah, if you go to the lower time frame, here also market has made a strong bullish morning star, and that is why market was able to sustain and it started moving up. And the structure is right now today what it has made, it has made a double bottom and right now it is in the double top. So we need to wait and watch. Still market is in consolidation phase for almost like since August 1st. This level and this level has not taken out completely. Yeah. So today it was last 53 o'clock. There was a good rally from somewhere around 17,336 towards 17,400, and it got closed at the previous day's top. So right now we need to check. After crossing the previous day's top, definitely market will respect that level as support, and that is why market has come down and exactly it has taken the support at this level. So we need to wait and watch whether this 17,390 is taken or continuing going to be the support, or it is going to break this level and fall down. But if you look at the pattern, definitely this is a bullish pattern. It is a W pattern. So W pattern, definitely it is a bullish pattern. So we need to wait because it can continue for the sideways also, because it made a double bottom. Here there is a bottom and here there's a bottom. Exactly this is going to be double bottom, and here it made a top and again it made a top, similar top this today. So we need to check, or we need to wait. If there is a reversal tomorrow morning, definitely there can be a fall towards this bottom, or at least till this half level, which is going to be 17,300. That is one prediction, because the sideways definitely, once if it is taken out this level, which is 17,390 in 1 hour chart, then there can be a small bullish rally towards 17,500. As I have told on Monday, looking at the open interest, 17,500 is having a huge open interest. Market will be able to touch that level, and we are at we made a top of 17,403 today. So there is a very high chance of touching 17,500 with a small spike, because if you look at the chart for the last 3 days, there has been a gap up opening and there has been a fall, and the trend has been continued towards the top and it has been sustained. So that is what has been happening for the last few days. And what we can expect tomorrow is, as tomorrow is going to be a expiry day, definitely this level will be acting as a resistance. For now, if there is a gap up opening, we can expect market to do 17,500 plus levels. Yeah. So we need to definitely wait and watch for tomorrow. We'll go to 1 hour open interest chart. So 388 market has closed, and looking at 17,400 levels, 1,16,000 contracts has been added. It has been consistent almost like since Monday. It has been consistent. There has been no unwinding. In fact, there has been new additions has been seen, and looking at 17,500, 1,60,000 contracts and newly almost like 14,551 contracts has been added. So the resistance is still there, and looking at 17,600 with 1,51,000 contracts against a very small amount of put option, which is going to be 3,000, and at 17,500 we have 13,000 contracts. So and 17,400 we have not even a 50 almost close to 50% fight against the bears. So definitely there is a chance of touching this, and there can be a sharp fall in Nifty. That is one scenario looking at the open interest chart. So tomorrow is going to be a good theta eating day as well as a sideways day, and we need to wait until 17,500 is taken out comfortably, else definitely there will be a fall in the market. Or if there is a gap down opening, and market will definitely try to go towards 17,500 for sure, because these people definitely they have to cover the shorts. So market can go towards this level. So this number is mixture of call option buyers. People could have did some hedging. So it is not purely resistance. This is a combination of lot of positions. So don't take any decision with just with this numbers, but majority of the contracts will be definitely would have been shorted, saying this is going to be a resistance. Yeah. So that is all from Nifty. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty today, these lines were plotted since last week, almost like since last week. This lines has been sustaining. Yeah. So today it has given a spinning top at the resistance. The same level has been told yesterday as well. What happened, we will just watch. So market, this was yesterday's chart. Yesterday the closure was around 38,000, close to 38,000, and today there was a good a decent gap up and small gap up, we can say. And again, what has happened, it exactly touched our support. Yeah. And what happened today is definitely we saw a good bullish rally. There was some range bound market, and after which there has been a good bullish rally. And if you see this level, this is going to be a double bottom here. This is a bottom, this is a bottom, and this is the neckline, and market made the, if you mark this bottom, 0.5% is the, so the target is still pending. So almost like 38,100 will be the target. So that is still possible. And if you look at the pattern in 1 hour, so whatever I plotted yesterday, this is what I plotted. So what we plotted a ascending trend line. Market was around this level yesterday, and what I told is if this is like if the trend line is getting broken, 37,750 will be the target. So today's low was 37,694. So our target was done, and we saw some bullish signals here. If you see this candle, this is going to be a bullish morning star, and slowly the market has started rallying and closed at this level. We will see, like in 1 hour chart, it will be very clear than this. I'll just remove this ascending trend line, and right now if you see, market started giving a reversal signal, which is going to be a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders pattern in the resistance or in the top of the uptrend, definitely it is going to be a reversal signal until or unless if today's this high which is going to be 38,035, if market is closing above this in 1 hour, then definitely this is not going to be a valid pattern, else this is going to be definitely a strong head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, so if in case market respects this level and falls below this neckline, so definitely what can be the target is there will be a bearish fall. Yeah, so this is going to be the target. Market can fall around fall towards 37,000. If market, that is Bank Nifty, is closing above 38,100, then this pattern can become invalid. Until and unless market is sustaining below this 38,000 levels, definitely market can come down anytime. That is what the structure has been seen here. So we need to wait and watch. Either if it is closing below 37,700, then definitely 37,000 is going to be the target. We'll wait and watch. So tomorrow there is no calls for the option buyers. So keeping this level, which is yesterday's top 38,117, and keeping that as the resistance, we can go for put option buyers, put option buy if in case if there is any rally, any reversal candlesticks at 38,270 to 200. That is a risky buy, but for the option sellers, definitely they can go short at 38,000, starting from 38,200, 300, 400, 500 can be shorted for decent gains with the stop loss of this one. So this should not be taken out. If that is taken out, then we can come out of the trade. Very simple call. So what we can expect is, so we need to wait and watch until at least for 30 to until 9:45, and then we can go for a trade. Yeah, we'll go on to 15 minutes chart as well to see like there has been like, so this pattern is definitely, it is going to be like if we can view here in a better view, we can have a better view in 15 minutes chart. So it is a clear left shoulder and this is going to be a clear right shoulder. If this is taken out, then definitely it is not going to be the valid pattern. Okay, so until 38,035 is not taken out, then in 1 hour we can expect some sort of bearishness, and if the neckline is getting broken, then we can expect 37,000 as a target. So that is all for Bank Nifty as well. So we'll have a small look at Bank Nifty chart. Yeah, so Bank Nifty open interest. So almost like there has been seems like a very good and tough fight between the bulls and bears. So 38,000 remains a good resistance with 1,12,000 contracts against 71,000 in the put side. And okay, there has been some unwinding seen at 38,000 put option, and if it is continues, then definitely there is a strong bearishness can be seen towards 37,000, that is for sure. And if you look at the below levels, 37,500 seems to be a good support, because it is having 1,10,000 contracts. So that is where market can go and touch. Yeah, so market can go towards 37,500 if there is a fall below. If there is a gap down, definitely that is going to be the level tomorrow, and it can take a support at 37,500 towards 37,445. That is the level for tomorrow. Make note of the numbers: 37,500 and 37,440. So if there is any buy available at that level, then definitely we can go on, take a risky buy with just one lot for an expiry trade. That will give you ample amount of profit for tomorrow. Okay, so if there is a fall, definitely, as I told, like 38,100, 200, 300, all these strikes are going to be sold for tomorrow. So play accordingly. 38,170 remains the stop loss for the call option short players, and for put option buyers, definitely there will be a good chance as well looking at the put option, the open interest chart. And for buyers, for risky buyers, for the intraday players and the expiry players, 37,500 to 37,440 will be the buying level. So wait till that. If it is giving a reversal in a 3 or 5 minutes candle, then go for a buy. At least 150 to 200 points will be a sharp rally tomorrow itself. Yeah, that's all from our Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if there is any doubts, we can see. Okay, so we'll move on to the stocks. We have a couple of stocks today. We are going to look at Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank has closed at 18,851. And if you look at this pattern, this is going to be a cup and handle pattern. And I'll draw this cup and handle pattern first. So market has formed a sharp cup and handle. There was a good fall from 1951 to 1630, some decent or good fall, we can say 300 points fall, and market has started giving a good parabolic move, and there was a small fall making a handle. And what has happened is the breakout has come and market has started moving up, and it is giving a retest kind of stuff. If yesterday's low which is going to be 1834, if that is sustaining, then definitely we can go for a short trade, that is a buy trade, and we can expect the target around 1950 and 2040 will be the targets, because this has given 13.81%. So from the breakout we can expect 13.81% for the target. So one more stock which is a strong contributor, big boy for the Bank Nifty, we have to look at the Hdfc Bank as well. So if you look at the Hdfc Bank, it has been in a sideways for almost like since the April, and right now it has given a small breakout. If you see, yeah, so the sideways was like this between 1400 and 1270, and right now there has been a breakout above 1400. 24 it closed one day, last week, and what has happened after this is now the bank Hdfc Bank has started giving a retest, and today this is a bullish candle, and if it is sustaining, then definitely what can be seen is if you look at this pattern here, also there is a price pattern. Yeah, so it is a ascending channel. So ascending channel will give you a good amount of returns. Yeah, this is going to be the ascending channel, ascending parallel channel, and if it is coming down, then definitely here it is going to be a buy around 1370 or 1380, and again market can go towards 1470 to 80. That will be the call. So wait and watch until this we need to see if the market is able to sustain this level 1411. If it is sustaining and moving again towards the top, then there can be a fall. Then we'll again definitely get a chance at 1370 to 1380 for 100 points. At least like 8 to 10% of target will be done. So we need to wait till that, and we have to go for the trade. So any questions? Or I couldn't see the chat today. Okay, if there is any questions, you can just pass it on in the Telegram channel. We'll try to pick it up and answer that in chart or with the levels. Yeah, that's all for today. We'll try to meet on tomorrow 9 in the evening. Yeah. So thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.